Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another awesome weapon from Fortnite, and this time it's gonna be the Silenced SMG. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna draw the middle part first, the receiver. We're just gonna draw one rectangle about this size, so it's pretty long. Okay, and then from here, almost to the middle, but a little bit to this side, we're just gonna come straight down, and we're gonna come up at a slant until we kind of meet up with that point. And then we're gonna come down and close that off. This is gonna be where the magazine is gonna be, but we're just drawing this part first. So we're gonna come down here, and then over here, we're gonna come across. Okay, and then we're gonna kind of connect this. Okay, I know it might look a little bit weird right now, but once we get our parts in, it'll show what we're doing. So right here, this is gonna be the grip. So we're gonna come down, right here, same angle. And there's gonna be a slight slant like that. And then just come down and just gonna come out a little bit. Okay, so that's gonna be the grip. And then here is the trigger. So we're gonna draw a little rectangle right in here. Then we'll draw the little trigger. Okay, and then from there we can draw, now we can draw in the magazine. So this one's actually pretty big. So it's gonna curve out. It's kind of try to draw a nice curve, just kind of come all the way out. And then on the other side, same curve. And then just slant it, close it off. Okay, and then for the details, okay, let's add some detail right now. So like here, we'll just draw another line, we'll draw another one, and then close it off. And there's gonna be two lines, so this is gonna be different color. Okay, and then up here, okay, we'll add some more detail as well. So we're just gonna draw one line like that. I'm gonna draw a little bit of a rectangle there. And then over here, we'll draw a little circle. So here, let's draw this little shape here. This is the going to switch the weapons. Draw a little line there. And now for the ejection port, this is where the shells come out. I'm gonna draw one little rectangle, and then we're gonna draw one long one right behind it. And there's a little bit of text right here, so I'll just put some lines in there. Okay. So that's the main part. So now we're gonna go out from there. So here's the grip. So now we're gonna come up a little bit, and then we're gonna go out. Okay. And then right here, we're gonna go straight out. So it's pretty long. It's almost double the size of this thing. So now I'm gonna close it. Okay. And now for the silencer. So the silencer is like right here, just come down a little bit. We're gonna go straight out, and this one's even longer. So right around here, we're gonna come down and close it off, and maybe just add a little bit of detail here. There's a little bit of triangle in here, and again, there's some text, so I'm just gonna put some dots since we can't really see all the little detail. Okay, so from here, now we're gonna draw a bunch of little lines here. So we're just gonna try to space it out as evenly as possible, but it's okay if it isn't. Just keep going all the way, all the way. Okay? So now let's finish up the top part here. So right here, I'm gonna draw one little rectangle, and then come across. We're gonna draw the same rectangle. Okay, and then right here, just slightly lower, we're just gonna come all the way across, and then draw another line there. Now we're gonna draw the sight up in the front, so it's basically a rectangle, and maybe a little line there. Okay, and then from here, let's move on to the back. So we're actually almost done. This is going pretty fast. So right here, we're gonna come up, just draw like a little rectangle here. Okay, and then now here we're gonna come back down, just continue that line, continue this line all the way through, and I'll just stop right around there because we're gonna go up and connect that. And then we're gonna come down here, and then right here is a little sight on the rear. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the stock on the back. So we're just gonna draw 2 lines right around here. Close it off. And then we're gonna extend this a little bit, come back, straight down. We're gonna come straight down a little bit, and then we're gonna turn it just a little bit of angle. Now close that off. And then the details, let's see, we can add a little circle here, maybe a little bit of double line here, just to make it a little bit more interesting. And that's it for this Silenced SMG from Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.